Want to create more Gmail accounts but keep running into verification issues? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the only safe and legal ways how I create multiple Gmail accounts, and trust me, most people do this wrong. So let's get started. First, I opened Gmail. Then I went to my profile icon on the top right side. From there, I selected the Add Another Account option. After that, I chose the Google option. Then Google asked for my phone's password for verification, and I entered it. After that, Google asked me for a phone number or email, but I wanted to create a new Gmail account, so I selected the Create Account option. Then Google gave me two options, and I chose for personal use. After that, Google asked me to enter my first name and surname, so I added both. Before we go further, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy guide, and don't forget to turn on bell icon. And then I pressed Next. Then it started asking for basic information, so I added it, like date, month, year, and gender. After that, I clicked Next. After a little loading, Google asked me to choose a Gmail address. I selected one of the two options that I liked. And then again, I clicked Next. Then Google gave me the option to add a strong password, but I entered a simple password instead. As soon as I clicked Next, Google rejected it and told me to create a strong password that includes mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. So I quickly created a strong password according to Google's requirement. After clicking Next, my Gmail account was successfully created without any phone number. If this tutorial helped you set up your Gmail accounts the right way, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment which part helped you the most. And if you want a video on the best Chrome profile setup, just type a profile below.